You want to see yourself? It's my little sister Ella. Who's that?
Mondo.
Do you like Mondo's haircut?
Yeah.
He looks cute, right? Nice and handsome. Give him a kiss on the cheek. I have to specify. Aw, you're so cute. You're so cute.
But it is really frustrating. Well, part of the reason.
So are you. Aw. You're so cute.
Lauren,
What?
I want to try it on.
You want to try what on?
Camera.
You want to vlog?
Yeah.
Now we're gonna need more shoes.
Here.
It's
Okay.
unless you guys are gonna pay $130 more. I already spent $150 on that.
It
It's gonna be at least $100 to go buy it.
is sick.
Because it's cut for small. I'm really sorry.
We can still probably use it somehow, the fabric.
That I can see you.
Pillows or something out of it, but. We gotta go, which means that you probably should go with us.
Oh my gosh!
I think we should start at Burlington. And I don't know if we're gonna be able to find baby pink. We're probably gonna have to get like a wine color. Whatever we can find, I'll pay for it because I made a mess.
When are we done for bowling?
Grandpa wants to leave.
Are you done?
Yeah.
I'm taking pictures. It's not recording.
Look at this.
It's not recording.
Taking my cheese Danish you brought me.
Closed. So.
Wow. Really? I thought that was for me. Stitch?
Open your mouth.
Nosy.
No.
I thought it was for me.
Open your mouth and eat it then. And
See this, guys? So mean.
I'm hungry and I don't have any patience for this right now. Eat it. Wow. Stop. Not great. Be in the back. I'm just staring.
Where are we going?
Bowling.
Bowling. Sounds like a disease.
It's like the nickname. Yeah, we're going bowling. So that's cool.
Wow,
We're gonna have a good. We're gonna have a good time. Right, Lauren? Right, Ella?
Me and
Sounds like something. Right, Noel?
yeah, Armando like to go bowling, but we both are terrible at it. But we just enjoy mainly laughing at each other the whole time. Him more than I, because I'm worse.
Bowling before.
He still wants all the attention.
Ella?
Shout out to the 1 subscriber. No, we have 7, so
7.
7 subscribers.
Ella? You're gonna be our clickbait.
Whoa, whiplash!
Alright?
What is she doing?
Did you hear me, Ella?
Erla, are you having fun? Your first time bowling? How come you only have 20 if you guys...
If I do terrible,
It's the least amount. What's up? I know. Isn't it the least? You wanted to say something.
Yeah.
Say it.
The only reason she got 2 strikes is because she's got bumpers.
No.
So-
They didn't even bounce off the bumpers.
Yeah, they did.
No, they didn't.
Yes,
no, they,
they did.
didn't. No, they didn't. Watch me.
How do they know? Huh?
Watch me.
How do they know?
Watch me.
How do they know?
Watch me. Hold it.
Was that a strike?
Did that hit the bumper?
Was that a strike?
Okay, doesn't need to
Was
be
that a strike? It wasn't a strike.
I'm telling you, I'm not using bumpers.
I didn't use bumpers this time.
You just saw that. Did it ever hit the bumper? Did it?
This time, it didn't hit it.
No, every time it didn't hit it.
Put your ball down.
Mondo trying to teach life lessons over here.
No, leave it. Move it over. Now put your ball. Yeah. No bumpers. Unlike.
Shut up. You saw that. I didn't even get to.
Oh, me! Not her!
Stop yelling.
What?
Say something.
Are you recording or something?
Yeah.
Stitch! Come here. See this? Doesn't he look like a gay dog?
Oh my god, stop.
Tight on him.
Okay,
He needs a bigger
according
size.
to the size chart, he was supposed to be a size large.
See this?
Oh, my mom's chihuahua pooped in the house and we're all being stubborn on cleaning it. We're having a blizzard right now.
Yeah.
My hair looks crazy because we were outside in it. So
And that's where all the
that's that. It's called Bruce, so.
From Nemo? Bruce,
Well,
eat the Nemo.
eat the Nemo.
Eat Nemo.
Here's
It's your
Ella,
friends, not food.
the chihuahua that pooped in the
These
house.
are not going to be like mine.
She's annoying, kind of ugly. Mom is cooking up some quesadillas with some hot dogs in it. Cause Mom made the hot dogs and like
Sorry, my blood sugar dropped too low.
season them. There's Mom eating chips and salsa. What's new? Working on the shower again. What's new?
Yeah.
And this tile, and it looks so nice. Hold on, let's zoom in.
Seriously,
Let's-
the world's gonna know my mess up. That's alright.
I want it freaking focus. See, no-
Yes, lesson learned. Very humbling. It's okay to use mastic on the walls, but not on the shower pan. You have to use thin set. So,
and it started to rise, I guess. So now he has to rip it all up and start over.
yep.
All right, go. This is Ella's first time sledding, and Stitch is like gonna jump out the window.
Anthony's about to go down the hill with her. Whoa, Ella! Yeah. The engagement did not work. It failed.
Let me get this guy go out with this.
You wanna let him?
Yeah. I need to take off the shock.
Are you going to?
Yeah. He's not gonna run away.
Oh, this isn't gonna end well. Let's see how Mondo does. Like a champ.
So we are done being outside, and we're having some hot chocolate that Mom made, homemade hot chocolate. And this is Mondo, 24/7, guys. Just so you know, Dragon Ball. That's his favorite show, right? He has a Dragon Ball blanket. He has Dragon Ball shirts. He has a freaking Dragon Ball collectible, actual Dragon Ball. Stupidest thing I've ever seen. And then he has some socks. Yes, it is. I don't know why people waste their money to get him these things.
No gifts, alright? Nah,
Oh, and he has a keychain.
yeah, go.
And then he has a bunch of drawings that, unfortunately, I was the one who fed that addiction for him. And I drew him some drawings of it. Yeah, because I want to draw for him, but that's what he wants me to draw him. So
Look at
he
this.
can
See that?
Dragon Ball. Is that cool to any of you guys? Because I don't know. He's really into it. Look at his face. Alright, I think we're gonna go watch a movie. And he can turn this off, right? Yeah? You'll turn it off?
Yeah, it's not right now.
Not right now, why?
Because your mom's gonna go decorate. Ella's
Your
room.
eye's twitching.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is. Oh, me and Mondo couldn't end the vlog together because he left he left earlier than expected because of the snowstorm. Bruce had to ruin our plans. I'm just kidding. We really didn't have that much plans. We were just watching a movie with our family. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe. And we can't wait to make more videos, and we have exciting things to come. And I can't wait to share them with you guys. So anyway, subscribe and we will see you soon.